welcome to Black History Youth and Community Awards 2023. This year, the theme for Black History is Elevate and Celebrate. Today is about our young people. Today is about our community leaders. We want to elevate your stories and we want to celebrate your stories. Many times, Black people are known or reported in the media for stealing, for burglary, for rape, for murder, for going to jail, for all sorts of things. Very little is said about the extraordinary good work that is being done. And I just want to thank every one of you, whether you win, whether you don't, for the absolutely brilliant contribution that you make to the people of Wales.
We are celebrating 20 years of Black History 365. We are celebrating how far we have come on the journey. We are celebrating our Windrush elders. We are elevating Welsh stories. We are elevating Black stories. Young people, celebrate yourselves, celebrate your skin, celebrate your eyes, celebrate your culture, celebrate your history, celebrate your beautiful natural hair. One life, one love, one people, one spirit.
The first winner is Summer David, Favor Iboye,
Kai Omokere, Omotola Bolarinde, Nemo, Edith Melendez,
Iman Rashdi,
Kamino Dokubo Joshua White,
Eliza Khan, Aya Abduldiam, Alexandra Nikonenko, Roshin Khan, Martina Akon, Suleiman Atta,
Jody Nicholson.
So now we're going to come to the Community Award. Professor Charlotte Williams, Menai Owen Jones, Mr. Barat Nabad, Auntie Roma Taylor, Maria Mesa, Mr. Errol Alexis, Professor Florence Ayisi, Professor Mina Upataya OBE, Mr. Ivor Gittings, Tashima Begum, Professor Keshav Singhap, Natalie Jones, Molara Awen, Chantel Patel, Joy Oge Hotfield,